If you're in retirement or approaching it, you've likely heard about the rising cost of living. Inflation can erode your purchasing power, and it's a problem that could threaten your financial security. The good news is you can take steps to hedge against inflation using income-producing assets. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can protect your wealth in retirement with strategies that have stood the test of time, so you don't lose sleep over your savings. Now, before we dive in, if you're serious about protecting your wealth over the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to get a free gold IRA guide and consultation. Thousands of Americans are using gold IRAs to safeguard their wealth, and you'll want to see why. Let's get started. When inflation rises, the value of cash diminishes, but income-producing assets can help offset the impact by providing you with reliable cash flow, no matter what the economy is doing. There are several options available, but the key is finding assets that not only provide income, but also hold or appreciate in value over time. One great example is real estate. Rental properties can produce steady monthly income, and in many cases, increase in value as inflation pushes up property prices. But managing rental properties can be a headache. You're dealing with tenants, maintenance, and the unpredictability of the market. This is where gold IRAs come in as a much simpler, more secure option. Unlike real estate, which can be time-consuming and volatile, a gold IRA lets you invest in gold, which is a tried-and-true asset that has held value for centuries. It's a safe and easy way to protect your retirement savings. Another income-producing asset to consider is dividend-paying stocks. These are shares in companies that pay out a portion of their profits regularly. This provides you with income without having to sell your stocks. But like all stocks, they can be subject to market fluctuations, and their value can drop when inflation spikes. This is where gold IRAs shine again. Gold tends to do well in inflationary environments, often acting as a hedge against stock market volatility. You might also think about bonds as a source of income. While they're generally more stable than stocks, they also come with lower returns, especially in today's low interest rate environment. Plus, when inflation rises, bonds lose purchasing power, which can affect your fixed income returns. Again, a gold IRA can outperform these options because gold has historically retained its purchasing power during periods of inflation. Now let's talk about something even more attractive. If you have over 100K in an IRA or 401K, or even $5 in savings, diversifying with a gold IRA is one of the smartest moves you can make. It's simple, it's tax-advantaged, and it's a strategic way to protect against inflation, making it a great hedge for your retirement. And the best part, you don't need to deal with the complexities of other asset classes like real estate or stocks. So, how does a gold IRA work? It allows you to invest in gold without the physical handling or storage. You simply roll over a portion of your retirement savings into a gold IRA, and you'll have the peace of mind knowing that your wealth is being safeguarded by one of the most reliable assets in history. If you want to learn more about how gold IRAs can be your best option to hedge against inflation, click the link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide and consultation. You'll find out how easy it is to get started and how gold IRAs can protect your hard-earned wealth. To wrap up, remember this: inflation is a real threat, especially in retirement, but you can shield yourself with the right income-producing assets. Whether it's rental properties, stocks, or bonds, each option has its pros and cons. However, none of them offer the same level of security and simplicity as a gold IRA, which is why it's the top choice for many retirees looking to preserve their wealth. If you have 100K or more in an IRA or 401K, or even if you've accumulated $5 in savings, a gold IRA could be exactly what you need. Click the link in the description to get your free guide today and start protecting your wealth. Don't wait. Take action now before inflation has a chance to chip away at your savings.